Welcome back to Chuck Chews. Today we're going to have Lean Cuisine's chicken fried rice. Because it's one of their comfort cravings. Chicken fried rice. White meat chicken with rice, vegetables, egg, and a garlic soy sauce. 310 calories. All the ingredients are on the end here. Let's see. Lean Cuisine is a Nestle product out of Solon, Ohio. I'm not sure how they pronounce that. Contains bioengineered food ingredient. Contains egg, milk, sesame, and soy. Okay. To cook this thing, you take it out of the package. Pull tab did work. Oh yeah, this is a 9-ounce, 255-gram package. I cut the film to vent. This is one of the scary meals where everything was scrunched right down like that into one end, which means it thawed at some point and got refrozen. Hate when I find meals like that. You cut the vent, cook for 3 minutes, peel back the cover, stir it, and cook for an additional minute and a half. I did 1 minute because it was really starting to blast the little chicken chunks into oblivion at that point. Popping and crackling, and things are flying around in the microwave, so I knew it was probably time to get it done. Wait 1 minute, enjoy. It's been over a minute, so I should be enjoying by now. One serving, one package, 310 calories as stated before. Total fats 8 grams, cholesterol 65 milligrams, sodium 720 milligrams, total carbohydrates 43 grams, protein 17 grams. Know your proportion. One proportion equals one tray. Well, let's see. That's what it says up here. I don't know why they put that on there. It has something to fill up that blank spot of the packaging, I guess. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, we got a little bit of everything but carrot in this bite, because I don't like carrot anyways. There's not much egg in this thing. I mean, the egg is just pulverized in these little tiny, teeny tiny little specks. I'll get one here. Oh, I still have egg on there. The egg is pulverized into these little things not much bigger than a grain of rice. I don't like that. The egg part, that is. This thing is like flavorless. The chicken is weird. There's no flavor to any of this. It's just like bland. Really, really bland, weird. I don't know how to say it. Just a weird, bland taste. At least there's a lot of chicken in it. Fortunately, the chicken's not worth a you know what. It's actually pretty bad. I don't even know if I'd give it to the dog. It's so bad. No, not a fan of it. Not a fan of it at all. If you've had the Lean Cuisine chicken fried rice, let me know in the comments below if you like it or not. Because I'm not a fan. It's. I've had much better chicken fried rices. Till next video.